So, uh, hello, so I'm Aryan John and I'm going to talk about bell number in this DA presentation. So, first, why bell number? So, if we have a certain number of elements in a set, then in how many ways can we partition that set? Can be answered by bell number, as we can see in an example out here. For in this case, if there is elements like or two elements in our set, then we can partition in two ways as such two examples. And if there are three numbers, then we can partition it in five ways as such. Next, we answer that how bell number, why this thing is being like this, how many number of partitions can be done, and this we can do by the help of bell number series, which is done in maths. So like if n equals to 1, then there is one way of partition. If n equals to 2, there is two ways of partition. If n equals to 3, there are five ways of partition. If n equals to 4, there are 15 ways of partition. Same as if it's 5, it's 52, and 6, 203. Now how it is obtained? This series is obtained by the help of bell triangle. In bell triangle, the first topmost corner of the element is kept as 1, and the next number, whichever is the last number of the series, like if n equals to 1, then at the column 1 will be the last number for that row. For n equals to 2, column 2 will be the last number of that row. If n equals to 3, then column 3 will be the last column of that row. So if it is the last column, then it will go as the first column next row. And for the obtaining the next number, we add those two previous numbers of just the cell left to it and top corner to it at the left side. Like out here, 1 plus 1 is coming as 2, 1 plus 2 is coming as 3, 2 plus 3 is coming as 5, 5 plus 10 is coming as 15, 2 plus 5 is coming as 7. So here we have shown like how all the numbers are coming. Now how we'll implement this algorithm? This algorithm is implemented as follows. Like which one I have done out here, the topmost corner number was assigned as 1. Now if the coming as the first column of the current row, then we assign the last number, the number in the last column of the previous row. And if it is not so, then we add the number which is in just the previous cell and the cell at the just top left corner of it. Now I'll be doing the demonstration of this algorithm. As you can see out here, this is how I did the demonstration out here with one separate method in which I have nested loop, and out here is another main method from where I take the number of inputs and the output I'll be showing for the outputs. And this is the output I got for while entering the number 6, which is 203, and it has been matching with our bell number triangle. Now time complexity of this algorithm. Now since we had used a nested loop out here, hence the worst case time scenario is n square in this. Now with this, I would like to end my presentation. Thank you.